Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing the desktop so switching is instant. Make sure Windows 10 is up to date and the apps or tabs you need are open. This reduces delays. Once done, use Alt plus Tab to preview open windows or Control plus Tab inside browsers for tabs. If you prefer thumbnails, make sure Task View is enabled in Setting System Multitasking. These steps prime Windows so the actual switching feels immediate and predictable when you start cycling. Now practice the techniques that speed you up. Press Alt plus Tab once for the last window, or hold Alt and tap Tab to cycle through thumbnails, release to jump. In browsers, Control plus Tab moves right through tabs and Control plus Shift plus Tab moves left. This is faster than the mouse. Make use of Win plus Tab to see all open windows and switch virtual desktops. This helps when you group work and personal tasks. Once you've practiced, these keystrokes become second nature and dramatically reduce hunting. To finish, lock in a repeatable workflow. Pin the apps you use most to the taskbar and press Win plus the app's number to open or switch instantly. This removes confusion. Make sure to customize Alt plus Tab behavior in settings so previews match your preference. If switching stops working, restart Windows Explorer from Task Manager or update keyboard drivers. That usually fixes shortcut issues. If problems persist, log out and back in to reset session state. Then retry the keystrokes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.